Ah, hi there. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some dinner. So, welcome back to Northern California, post-rain, post-apocalypse, post-whatever. It's been a long time. So what are we doing tonight? Well, you know that universal food kind of thing? That's what we're doing. In Britain, it's called Bubble and Squeak. We're doing Italian. So, what do I got? Well, the thing about Italian food is that it is, in its simplicity, beautiful. When you find some of the really basic Italian recipes, they're really basic and really flavorful for the ingredients you're using. So, Bubble and Squeak Italian style. Got a couple of russet potatoes, peeled, boiled, chilled. Yeah, Bubble and Squeak. It's designed to be made with leftovers, whether you're in Britain or Italy. So here we go. Yep. Food. It's really easy and frequently just as exciting. So take a couple of russets, peel them, cut them to bits, boil them until they're soft. I like doing mine French style, which I learned from Mr. Papon. When you're boiling your potatoes, and this won't make any sense to most of you, throw in a couple of cloves of garlic. And what amazes me is the amount of flavor that 2 cloves of garlic can provide when boiled with water, salt, and potatoes. So yeah, I cheated. I made mine a little more flavorful. Okay. Ta-da! Yeah, I know. Food. It can't be that easy. I mean, there are shows and books and food's that easy. Trust me. Mashed potatoes. Now, because I'm making a crust with mine, I'm actually going to throw in an egg, a little heavy cream, and some Parmesan. Because I'm actually making almost, for lack of a better word, a potato batter. So yeah, I got the beginnings of something pretty good here. You know, I got potatoes, salt, garlic, Parmesan, eggs, and heavy cream. Is that for dinner? Is that all we need? Trust me, just about. Yeah, that's one interesting lesson I've been learning. Is that while I live quite comfortably on vegetarian cuisine, not vegan, mind you, but vegetarian, our society requires a certain amount of assertiveness, and when you're on a vegetarian diet, everything becomes zen and easy to deal with, except our modern society. So now we're going to be eating meat twice a week around here. Okay, Bubble and Squeak. Leftover mashed potatoes. And what else? Leftover cabbage. Oh, I got some of that right here. Now, this is a little different from regular British Bubble and Squeak, because it's got pancetta in it. Yeah. Cabbage and bacon. Oh, don't do that. Cabbage and bacon. Olive oil. Little garlic if you want. I threw in some red wine because I'm that kind of guy, and some chicken stock. Sauteed it up. Put a little browning on the bottom. Life's good. So, pancetta, cabbage, olive oil, garlic, yeah, that kind of stuff. So, here you go. That's what that looks like. The pancetta was the finely diced pancetta I buy at a store that used to sell wine for $2 a bottle. And here we go. Excitement. That's some thick potato stuff. Okay, there we are. And like I said, this is basically a potato batter. It's going to hold the cabbage in place. Yeah, it's a little complicated for what we do on this channel usually, but it's good. I like it. You probably will too. And the surprise is the garlic with the potatoes. You boil up potatoes with a couple of cloves of garlic and some salt, and you get some amazing flavors. Yeah, I'm just mixing this all up. Okay. So yes, I have sinned and I have used a pan as a mixing bowl. Alright, let's get some of this mess picked up a little bit here. So, what do I need to fry this up? Good spuds. What I need is a proper pan. One that's flattish and wide-ish and will heat quickly and evenly because everything's cooked, but it needs a crust. So let me do that. Let me turn that up on high. And so that's it. I'm running low on YouTube time, so I won't bother to show you how to fry up a potato pancake. What you do is you take a nice pan, get it all kinds of hot, full of oil, throw in your potato mixture, and one thing you want to do is shake the pan. Because when you've got a good crust, the potato cake inside will move as one unit. It won't break up. It'll just move as one unit. If this is the first time you've done it, it may take a couple of tries. Don't be surprised if you end up serving mashed potatoes with crusty bits as opposed to Bubble and Squeak as a cake. Try it. It's simple food. It kept the British fed for generations, well, centuries. It was kind of good for the Italians too. And it's universal food. So what do we got? A couple of russets, peeled, cut to bits, boiled with some garlic. Cabbage, sauteed with pancetta, garlic. In my case, I threw in a little red wine and chicken stock. You can use water if you want. Mix them together, fry them up, dinner. Yeah, it actually is that easy. Might take some practice. The important thing to remember is once you press it down into the pan and start frying it and you hear all that good loud music from the pan, shake it. See if it moves as one unit inside the pan. When it does that, take a plate. Put the plate over the pan and then flip it. Yep, that might take a couple of tries too. I mean, I'm not really going to admit that I've occasionally had to start from scratch after picking things up off the floor. But, yeah, I've had my share of accidents. I know that'll never happen to you. So, that's it. Dinner tonight. Leftover sauteed cabbage with Italian bacon, pancetta. Leftover mashed potatoes, fried together, mixed with an egg, heavy cream and Parmesan to make a nice crusty batter. That's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe. Thank you. And I'll keep trying to make some more of these. Thanks. Bye.